Reset your life, starting today. Hey you, yes you, listening right now. If you're here, it means something in your life isn't sitting right. Maybe you're stuck. Maybe you're tired. Maybe you've achieved things, but still feel empty. Or maybe, like me, you just need to press reset. Today, I'm not just speaking to you, I'm speaking with you, because I'm resetting my life too. This is not a dramatic reinvention story. This is about coming back to yourself, slowly, honestly, gently. Let's do it together. Why you feel like resetting. Here's what I realized. Feeling like you need a reset doesn't mean you failed. It means you outgrew something, a job, a routine, a relationship, even an identity. So here's a question. Can you finish this sentence? I want to reset my life because... Say it out loud, or write it down. Do it now. Don't just listen, engage. This is your reset. What does a reset look like? Let's make it real. Resetting doesn't mean moving to a new country or quitting your job overnight. It's about shifting your daily direction. Here are 4 areas I'm resetting, and maybe they'll resonate with you too. First area, reset your mind. I started journaling. Just 5 minutes in the morning. Write how you feel. No filter, no judgment. Second area, reset your body. Move your body daily. A 20-minute walk, stretching, yoga, dance in your kitchen. Energy shifts when your body does. Third area, reset your career. Ask, am I fulfilled or just functioning? Update your resume. Apply for 1 new thing a week. Explore that side hustle. Fourth area, reset your spirit. Sit in silence. Pray. Meditate. Breathe. Just listen to yourself again. You've been ignoring your inner voice too long. Cut what's not serving you. You already know what's draining your soul. Toxic relationships, doom scrolling on social media, habits that numb instead of heal. Here's a challenge. Pick 1 thing to detox from for 7 days. That's it. 1 week. You'll be amazed how clear your mind becomes. 1 bold step. Resetting doesn't start with clarity. It starts with action. So I'm challenging you and myself. Take 1 small, bold step this week. Enroll in that course you've been eyeing. Start that YouTube channel. Apply for that job abroad. Write that email. Record that voice note. Book that flight. Don't wait for confidence. Confidence comes after action. Take the step. Feel the fear. Do it anyway. This is not the end. It's a beginning. You're not starting over from scratch. You're starting from experience, from wisdom, from self-love. We are not broken. We are becoming. So let's reset together, me, you, and millions of others who are ready to live on purpose, not autopilot. If this episode spoke to you, share it with someone who needs it. And if you're ready to reset, say it in the comments. I'm resetting my life. Let's start a movement. Until next time, take 1 breath, take 1 step, and trust, you're not behind, you're right on time.